All right, the drink we're about to make is called Bronx Cheer. Go and fill up a mixing glass with ice. And we're going to measure out 2 ounces of apricot brandy. There's 1. And 2. We're just going to fill it up with raspberry soda. Here's our raspberry soda. Love that stuff. Now take your shaker and just pour it back and forth a couple of times. You're not going to want to shake it because you will have Bronx Cheer all over yourself, your bar, and the people around you. Okay, go ahead and pour it in. And if you want, you can garnish it with a cherry. Because if you're like me, I'm always in the mood for a cherry. And that's it. The Bronx Cheer, bottoms up. Yeah.